Hey, it's William Jiangming. Welcome to Law Digital Art, and you're watching 1000 tips of me, 1000 days, I believe, of me learning traditional art and try to learn some of the tips that I can use to apply that to modeling as well as animating and apply that to digital art. Okay, so just to get best of the traditional art, and recently I've been learning figure drawing and. The thing that I learned about figure drawing is that I always previously just start from the head and the neck and all that, or I just use like the shape to connect that, to connect the body, something like that. And it's not wrong per se, but the human figure is not expressive enough. And I try to learn from the animators. You got like a really loose feeling. That's what I've been researching and learning recently. I want to share with you guys. So first is that draw with a shape. Okay, so basically, you will draw using the basic shape like sphere, okay, and like cube, sphere, and cylinder. Okay, just as simple as that. And then second is the nose should at the center of the line. So whatever the weight and the curve of the body, the nose always at the center line. So I'm not going to just ignore this. Okay, so I'm going to just draw a line. Hopefully, that will help us with future drawing. I'm not very good at this kind of way of holding hand, but just bear with me. I'm a beginner. Okay, so the nose should be at the center line here, and then the feet should be at here. And do not put the weight at the center. Okay, so do not draw too symmetric. Okay, so sometimes you may just put some of the weight at the left side, sometimes you put at the right side, so it sort of balancing out, and then left side, so it's more expressive than just a very symmetric drawing. And then the curve is very important. So do not draw very like a straight line. Okay, so even though you got like a different shape, so you got the head, and you got the chest, another shape. Do not connect that using straight line, but rather using curve. Okay, so this can get more expressive. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. So I'm going to draw the head. So basically the nose is here, so the head should be let's just draw a sort of a sphere or a cube, doesn't really matter. It really depends on your style. And then things we're not going to make it very symmetric, so I'm going to make it another shape like here. So it has the left side and okay, so the weight just go to the left, but in order to balance it, let me just draw it down a little bit. So other counterbalanced weight shape should be go here. Okay, just another shape, and then it comes to the leg. So the leg, because you already go to this way, so you have to go back in order to make it much more balanced. So I'm going to make a shape like this. Okay, and then a shape like this. Okay, really loose drawing. I think I may get the proportion wrong, because I believe it's not enough for this kind this long. Doesn't really matter. Okay, just a really loose shape. Okay, and the hand, and let's just quickly draw something like this, maybe something like this. Okay, and then like this and like this. Okay, and another thing, by the way, I learned is that do not make all this connected, because um, just to make it loose, and we're going to connect it using curve. Okay, so for example, the curve, do not just connect that directly, but rather using curve. Okay, just using curve. The curve come this way, and then the curve will go this way, or you can just get rid of this, because you can connect this two. I want to make it loose, so it's like a flow the river from here to here, and from here to here. Okay, and if you got like the curve at one side, and then you have to got the curve at the other side. So this way you can sort of forget about anatomy just for once, because you just want to get a really loose shape, so you can make it more curved and more like streamlined. Okay, so for example, you want to connect these two together, and just make it like a curve. Okay, so from here to here. Okay, and this place also you can make it curve. Okay, and then connecting these two, you can make it like a curve. Connect this to make it curve. So the hand, the shoulder part, just curve it here and curve it here. Okay, up and down a little bit, so other side and down a little bit, and then continue to down. Okay, so just make it really smooth, really loose, and then there will be maybe a hand, something like that. I believe this is a little bit off proportion. Doesn't really matter. Just to make it fairly loose, and I believe I need to make the there should be more space. Let's quickly. Okay, something like this. You should add more space. So it doesn't really matter. I'm sort of inexperienced, so just bear with me. So connecting this, and I believe I should have a pretty long, like this. Okay. Maybe it's like a toe, something like that. Okay, and then here, go here, and then go here, and hopefully can get a kind of like this. And the neck area, I believe it's like too much, so I'm going to make it like curve more. Just make it down a little bit. Okay, this is maybe too much, so go inside a little bit. Okay, and then here going down. So I kind of just need to get rid of okay, so I need to get a new eraser, sorry about that. So yeah, and another thing I learned is about the proportion. So basically this should approximately the above and the below part should be half and half, and then when you really satisfied with the head length, let me just quickly get this eraser working. Okay, because I'm traveling, and I just I'm in the hotel, and I just quickly want to record and continue to learn things. I'll just pursue my okay. So yeah, you might just got a neck here and neck down here. Maybe just make it inside a little bit, and then going here. Okay, and I believe this hand may be too much, so go up and go down, something like that. Okay, just to make it loose, make it really loose, and I think this should be longer, like that. Okay, hand. Okay, And so this should be half and half. So this part and this part should be the same. So half and half. And the length, the height of the head. Okay, so if you treat this as 1, so the height is here, and then 1 down to the center of the chest, and 1 down is the rib cage and the pelvis center, and then 1 down, or maybe 1.5 down. Is here, approximately the center line, and then 1.5 down. It's here, and maybe 1.5 down. So let's add it up. So it was 3 and 4.5. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So 7.5. Okay. Yeah, so maybe that's too long, because the 1.5 should be approximately here. Okay. So yeah, if you go this long, it won't be like a heraldic sort of figure. And this is like a tip of the feet. So basically, it should be go here. Yeah, that's correct. Because here 0.5. Okay, so yeah, that's what I learned about figure drawing. Just so quick takeaway: nose should be at the center of the weight. Do not make it very symmetric, and yeah, using curved connect parts and using basic shape. Okay, and yeah, I'm going to continue to learn and share with you guys. Hope this helps, and happy creating. Bye.